So DTP, whenever you enable dynamic trunking protocol, switches exchange some messages in order to come to an agreement that what type of encapsulation must be used between both of them, among them, and then they will make the port as trunk. That is dynamic trunking protocol. The actual purpose of dynamic trunking protocol is in order to exchange the messages and come to know or negotiate what type of encapsulation must be used. Okay, that is the purpose of trunking. Once the negotiation is done and once they have come to an agreement, they will make the ports as trunk ports. So yeah, dynamic trunking protocol. It is a Cisco proprietary feature that allows Cisco switches to negotiate trunk dynamically. Can you see this? This thing. Negotiate trunk dynamically. Negotiate trunk in the sense, negotiate the method of or the type of encapsulation. Either a .1Q or ISL. Done. So it has three modes: auto, on, desirable. On is by default on. That is, if any negotiation has come, I will respond. That is on mode. Okay. What is auto and what is desirable? For time being, remember this: auto, on, and desirable are the modes of DTP, right? And desirable links initiates the trunk, whereas auto responds only. What does that mean? Right? Prince of Wales. Princess of Dutch. Right? Very luxury love. Very luxury love.
Yeah.
One prince and princess. So Prince of Wales has seen Princess of Dutch somewhere in the meeting, a business meeting. Princess of Dutch. Prince know is loving princess. Princess also know that she's in love with Prince of Wales, right? But will ever princess go and tell prince that she is loving him? Never. Attitude. I'm female. Attitude. Prince of Wales will go to princess. He'll propose for the marriage, for the relation. Princess of Dutch, she's ready. She's already in the relation, she's ready. But she will not speak until and unless princess will come to her about the proposal and propose. Then she will accept the proposal. Same thing. Otto is like Princess of Dutch. She want to accept the relation. She's very accurate about that. She's very excited. But she will never show that. I am the princess. Come to me, proposal. Desirable prince. He wants to form a relation. Go propose. Now you got the difference?
Yeah, got it.
Always remember, Otto is like princess. Desirable is prince.
I like this term. I will
That's
have to go for it.
That's it. By default, every interface is in auto mode. Okay. For suppose think that even Prince will think that she has to come to me. Prince is thinking that she has to come to me and propose me. And even Prince is also thinking the same. He has to come to me and propose me. Will they ever make the relation? No. He is waiting for her and she is waiting for him. No communication. Where the trunk has come from, where the relation comes from. The same thing here. If the both switches are in auto mode, there will be no trunk. There will be no trunk. Why? Because he is not telling, he is not proposing for the trunk. He is also not proposing for the trunk. No trunk. At least if you are having one auto, one dynamic desirable, right? Trunk will be formed. Okay, that is the thing. That's it. Just remember Prince and Princess story. And if you want to configure DTP, actually by default it is enabled, but they are in auto mode, right?
That's what I'm
They are in auto mode.
Okay, yeah.
Then we have to configure switch port mode dynamic desirable. Already they are in auto, you need to make it desirable. Then only trunk will be formed. Negotiation will be done. They'll come to for an agreement and they will switch port may negotiate. If you want to disable DTP, switch port no negotiate. Okay? Switch port no negotiate. This is the command to disable DTP. Always remember this configuration will always be done on the interface level.
Okay. Okay, either configuration or disabling. Either configuring or disabling. Both of them are.
One is for enabling and the one is for disabling. Alright? If you have any doubts, you can ask now. So in order to verify, show interface trunk. For suppose before configuring there is no trunk. If you enter this command, no interfaces will be shown. But after configuring DTP, show interface trunks will be shown. And again show interface switch port. It will show the interface status in detail. I already shown you. Yeah. So this is my switch to. Right. So actually show what we having. So here there is no do show interface trunk. So we don't have trunk. Do show interface trunk. Yes, we don't have anything. So what will I do is Ethernet one by one is my show interface trunk. You have no interfaces, trunk interfaces. Okay. Show interface Ethernet one by one. one by one switchboard. So it is in dynamic auto. Acha, it is in static access. Okay. Interface E one by one. No switchboard mode access. Access. Okay. Do show interface Ethernet one by one switchboard. Okay. So whatever. Interface. I'm in the interface one by one. Okay. What am I doing is switch port mode dynamic auto. I'm making it as auto interface. Interface E one by one. Switch port mode dynamic auto. Both are in auto. Okay. I told you auto in the sense they will never speak. They will not propose ever.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Now let us see. Show interface trunk. Any trunk? Did it form any trunk? Did it form any trunk? No. You can see the output is nothing. I gave this command but no interface. Nothing has formed. So what will I do? Now let us go for desirable. Let's make one interface as desirable. Interface E one by one. Switch port mode dynamic desirable. Okay. Can you see? Earlier there was no trunk, but now it is trunk. Why? Because we made one interface as desirable. Show interface E one by one switch port. What is my administrative mode? Dynamic? No.